Hello, my name is Ryan Mattel, and I am currently working with Chen and Kevin Gallagher, and this is our senior project. So the overview, we're going to start with background, then we'll say our problem statement, the current state of the shops, a literature review, the drivers for this project, design and strategy, possible solutions, and the tools we are using to find these. Our background. Cal Poly's Learn by Doing culture fosters an environment that allows students to constantly be hands-on working on projects and assignments in labs, shops, and studios. Here on campus, there are many places for students to learn and actively operate machinery and tooling to create, design, and experiment. On campus, there are many different departments, colleges, and avenues for students to get their hands dirty and work directly with machinery and tools. The College of Architecture and Environmental Design has a very active student body, constantly operating machinery and tools in their shops. These students are encouraged to do so with a proper safety and training. The Cal Poly shops across campus have many different ways of going about renting out tools, machinery, and training students. The problem here is relating to the manual nature, safety liability, and risk of loss and mishandled tools in Cal Poly shops. David Kemkin, our sponsor, has brought this issue to our attention. These problems create inefficiencies and inconsistencies within shops across campus, particularly within the College of Architecture and Environmental Design. These results in risk of students using tools and machinery they are not properly trained for, as well as lost data and tooling. The current state is a manual data entry system. There is a desk clerk that scans poly IDs and checks students and tools in and out. These clerks also need to do a background check to assure the student has the proper safety training. This system is not very secure due to the lax nature of the shop, and there's plenty of room for human error. There are also many inconsistencies across this system, as well as the other shops across campus that have their own integrated systems. The focus of our literature review is on the implementation of systems used by universities to manage the technicalities of shops and other campus centers. Descriptions of these systems are often found in case studies about university recreation centers, libraries, and mechanical shops. We also looked into information technology services at universities to receive a better understanding about how they work with the campus. We must still look into a more in-depth analysis of hard data on our exact problem. We will be collecting data on equipment, users, location, and total transactions to assist in the comparison of current situation to other possible solutions. We will also be learning about more manual solutions that have been utilized across campus and other universities. Some of the main drivers and justification to our possible solutions are as follows. We must always keep safety first. Safety is at the forefront of these shops and must be considered in every decision. Students are constantly handling and operating dangerous tools and must be properly trained to do so. A solution will also greatly reduce the amount of tools lost or never returned. We are still collecting data to support this claim with hard facts, but the poly shops lose money each quarter due to lost tools. Providing a consistent platform across each shop will also benefit the student body and employees of the shops. Students will not be constrained to a singular location, but can utilize multiple laboratories and shops if need be. As stated previously, we have evaluated the current state for its deficiencies. Based on the risk of human error and safety risks of the current situation, we researched specific possible solutions and similar situations within our literature review. Based on our research of integrated systems and manual databasing in other universities in similar situations, we have arrived at a few possible solutions. With this being said, an integrated system seems to be the most likely solution. Further research is needed as we look to collect more hard data to direct us to the best engineering solution. With the problem and possible solution in mind, we have arrived at a few specifications we would like out of our theoretical solution. They are broken up into required or must-haves, and a few nice-to-have requirements as well. The required specs are as follows: equipment checkout, safety documentation, and the ability to make reservations ahead of time on tools and machinery. Online access to a data platform, the integration of the polycard as a sign-in method, and a check system on students who have returned items late. Some optional nice-to-have specs are online reservations, a simple UI, and an easy integration for the IT department. Some of our possible solutions, as previously mentioned, are integrated systems. This form of a solution has been widely used across Cal Poly campus as well as across the nation at other technical universities. Another possibility is to redesign the current process as is, to revamp the manual process and restructure the current state. The last solution is a database management option. We may work alongside IIT to completely reintegrate a new database and lean heavily on IME 312 skills. Speaking of our IME 312 skills, there are many other classes that have proven and will continue to prove helpful during our project. To highlight a few others, IME 223 was a very valuable class because it took us through the steps of how to analyze and improve a system or process. Data management and design has helped us understand databases and how they can be used in integrated systems. And IME 144 has given us the experience working in mechanical shops. Thank you.